Hello everyone, this is Frank DiMora from the End Times Research Ministry, and today is the 6th of January 2016. Yesterday I gave you the end results of the birds, the fish, and the animals dying off for 2015, and I also gave you a few of the reports that came in the beginning of January of 2016, and I'm going to continue on with that. Now, as you're looking at the screen, you can see Zephaniah chapter 1 and also Hosea chapter 4. These are the verses that show us in prophecy that the Lord is going to do away with the birds, the fish, and the animals. So what I'm going to show you now is the brand new reports that just came in showing us mass numbers of birds, fish, or animals that are dying off in the news today. I'm going to have drop downs so that you can see the most important part of the articles showing either how many of the birds, the fish, or the animals that have died off, or other important news such as if it's a mystery or they're doing investigations of how or why these animals died off. Take a look. So that's the news for January 6th to update, and if you keep coming to my site, which is www.endtimesresearchministry, I'll continue to show you the newest reports about the birds, the fish, and the animals that are dying. Now, if you're new to Bible prophecy, keep in mind that the Lord Jesus Christ warned us that in the last days we would see these events played out as women with birth pangs. You can read that in the 13th chapter of the book of Mark. Now, one thing you should keep in mind as we see these mass numbers of either the birds, the fish, or the animals that are dying off, as we lose the food supply, the cost of food continues to go up. You saw that in the case in my report yesterday, where they reported that there was 40,000 cattle that died due to a winter storm, and it was going to cause the milk to go up exponentially. So again, join me as we watch for the Lord's signs and his second coming. He is going to come back, and there's a lot of people who think that he's not. God's promise will always be fulfilled. This is Frank DiMora from the End Times Research Ministry. God bless.